Hi guys, so I know I haven't posted in like a whole year. So much has happened through that year that I've been gone. I've had like no time to post or anything because like I've been busy with school, and also I am 7 months pregnant. This is my first child, so I'm about to be a first-time mom, and I feel like I should talk about that in another video. But yeah, I'm 7 months. I should be due in August, so I have like 2 months left, and I'm so excited. I'm having a boy. So in this video, I want to talk about my extensions, because I did dye my hair also. I decided to go back to blonde because I missed it and I felt like it suits me. I'm just gonna have to put away my Bellami extensions. And honestly, like, to update you guys on my Bellami extensions, they are still freaking nice. Like, I just got the LuxuryforPrincess in the mail because I wanted to try a new brand. But honestly, like, the Bellami ones are just like, they lasted me a whole year. Still to this day, I could still wear them, and I would still wear them before I dyed my hair. And they're still softer than my own hair. I can still curl them. The only thing I do have to say is that when the iron is too hot, the hair does get stuck to the iron. It like melts. But that's like my only complaint. And sorry if I sound out of breath. I don't know if it's because I'm pregnant, but I feel like I'm like running out of breath. But yeah. And so yeah, I really like these, and I like that they came with the little hanger and also the little like closet thing, because the LuxuryforPrincess ones didn't come with that, and that's kind of a bummer for like the amount that I spent. Kind of like 200 and something, and I also spent 200 and something on the Bellami ones, and it came with the little hanger and the storage bag or whatever. But I'm sad that I can't wear these no more because I'm back to blonde. But I miss this hair like color. Like, this is the lightest I could go. It's like an ashy tone, but it also has like different kinds of tones to it because I don't know, my hair is just a bunch of different colors right now. But I'm hoping to go lighter like with time, but not right now because I don't want my hair to like melt off. So I just got the LuxuryforPrincess extensions in the mail, and they came in like this box right here. And they're not my color, so I tried the tester, and they're a little too blonde for my hair. But I'm thinking of going lighter, so I was like, you know what? I was thinking of returning them, but I was like, you know what? If I go lighter, then this will probably suit me. And it has a bunch of like different colors in it, so I was like, oh, that's perfect. But it looks like this. This is the tester, and as you can see, it's like super blonde, and it does not get my color. But I was like, you know what? I think I can make it work, because if I do end up going like blonder, then you know it will like probably match my hair. But this is the tester, and like, I was like literally like this for hours just trying to see if like, should I return them? I don't know. And like, I wanted to get them before my baby shower because my baby shower is in like 2 weeks from now, and I'm like kind of like lazy to return them, and then like, I don't know, just in case they don't come back fast enough before my baby shower. I don't know. So I decided to just stick with them. I already opened it, so there's no going back. And so far, like, they are freaking soft. They are 22 inches and 260 grams, so that's how they look. And I feel like they look like my color, honestly, like, because of all the freaking tones in there. Open this up. I'm like hoping I can make it work because my color, this is like, the color is like way off, and like I have like dark ends still, so I still need like many washes with the purple shampoo, or I just need to lighten my hair a little bit more from the bottom. But like I said, I didn't want to fry my hair off, so this is the lightest I could go. And now I'm like probably not gonna go dark for a long time because going blonde is very damaging. This is how they look. They're so soft and they're so pretty. I think I'm gonna put them on my hair right now so you can see how they look. But I might be able to make it work. I don't know. Okay, so I just put them in, and the color match is like terrible. But like I said, I'm hoping when I go lighter, it will match. But for now, it like does not match for shit. And I'm kind of sad about that. And also, like, every single time I freaking like go like this, they shed a lot. They're like shedding a lot. And my Bellami extensions did not do that when I first got them in. They were like super thick, super like, I don't know, nice. These are 260 grams, but my Bellami ones are like 280. And so they feel kind of like less to me, less hair. I'm sorry, but I do not like them. And I'm sad that I didn't know. So now I can't freaking return them. So the Luxury for Princess ones are gonna be a no for me. I'd rather stick with my Bellami ones. I wish I bought those instead of these. Maybe in the future I will, but I don't know. I don't like these at all. I should have got a thicker set. And like this set was like the price almost of my Bellami ones, so it's like the amount of hair that it brings, that it has for this price is like so much. But I'm hoping I can make these work because I already bought them, can't return them, so we'll see. I'm making a video.
You wish.
I really am making a video.
Oh, what's going on, guys? Sorry, not the vlog. Wait, for real?
Yeah. I'm like getting so fucking pissed because every single time I'm like doing this, it's shedding, and like, what the fuck? Like, I'm getting so mad, honestly. Like, I'm kind of irritated right now because I spent a good amount of money on these extensions, and I was hoping I would get like a good set, but it's like every single time I'm like running my fingers through the hair, it's like shedding. I'm so pissed. Like, I should have got the Bellami extensions, honestly. Like, I'm fucking irritated. But I'm just gonna cut this video short because I'm upset right now that I didn't like them. Kind of really upset because I also see so many good reviews on them, and then they end up not being that great like I thought it was gonna be. So they're cute and they're soft and whatever, but every single time, like, they're shedding